Give someone the benefit of the doubt to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom or expression today is to give someone the benefit of the doubt. Meaning, and this idiom, although the origin isn't really clear, it's expected and thought to date back to the 17th century. It's a phrase that suggests that when in doubt, when you don't know what the intentions are of someone's actions or behaviors, actions or behaviors, it's better to assume the best than to assume the worst. Instead of assuming nefarious reasons for people doing things, ask, right? It didn't say this anywhere in the definition, but my whole thing was, why wouldn't you just ask to find out? If you're not sure where somebody's coming from, why not just ask that person? So why would you want to do this? Why would you want to give somebody the benefit of the doubt? Now, I've gotten burned both ways in business, and it's big lessons learned. But normally, I always give people the benefit. I always give people the benefit of the doubt first until I get burned or I get hurt in some way, shape, or form, which is probably not the best way, trial and error. But I do it because I want to have a positive relationship. I want to build trust. I want to be open-minded and believe the best about humanity and about people. It seems like people tend to polarize. We live in a polar universe, right? And some people think the worst about other people think the best about other people. Some people are negative in their thoughts and beliefs and feelings and directions. Other people are positive in their thoughts, feelings, and directions. I like to work with like-minded people, so I'm looking for the people that are looking for me, and everybody else, guess what? Not necessary. We only need to work with people that feel good and feel right for us. So how do we go about giving someone the benefit of the doubt? Number one, we make sure we have open lines of communication and clear communication. We have processes and procedures and things set up to make sure that we are asking, that we're following up, that we're acknowledging, that we're keeping track of our commitments and holding other people accountable for their commitments, right? I do what I say I'm going to do, and I expect other people to do what they say they're going to do as well. That helps to form better relationships. And to give somebody the benefit of the doubt is really, it's an act of forgiveness, and it's an act of positive intent, wanting and showing good faith in building the relationship, in having a relationship and a good working relationship with business partners, with customers, with people that are helping you build your business, employees, team members, whatever you happen to call them in your organization. So I'd love to know your personal experience with this particular idiom or expression. Like I said, I got stories. I have stories where I've given people the benefit of the doubt and it's come back to bite me in the derriere because I expected the best. I didn't ask enough questions, which is on me, and I've had to learn to forgive myself for that and get better about making sure I'm communicating and asking the right questions and asking all the right questions, and then listening to my head, my heart, and my intuition about the situation, not just going with, wow, this looks really good on paper, we're going to go ahead and get this person involved in our organization, etc. So share in the comments below your experience with this idiom. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business? Have an absolutely awesome day.